wheels onto the path of sterling path of life, we invite you to the inauguration ceremony of Infinitum 2020. Before we begin, let's invoke the blessings of the divine. And for this, I invite our own student with a melodious voice, Suvijay, to present the Gayatri Mantra. Suvijay.
Om Bhurbhuvaswaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Nah Prachodayat. Om Bhurbhuvaswaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Nah Prachodayat. Om Bhurbhuvaswaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Nah Prachodayat.
Thank you, Suvijay, for this holy and pious rendition. Now, it's time to extend a floral welcome to our galaxy of stars. I, Shalini Kumar, on behalf of the DLDAV Model School Shalimar Bagh fraternity, extend a warm welcome to the chief guest of the day, Dr. Biswajit Saha, Director, Vocational Education and Skill Training, CBSE. We are indeed indebted to you, sir, for sparing your valuable time and gracing our function today. Your inspiring presence and words of wisdom will definitely motivate us to excel. Thank you, sir, once again. Warm greetings are there for our very special guest, that is Dr. Jitendra Nagpal. Just a minute. Yes, a little bit of technical glitch and hitch. Yes, but we are back. We also welcome the guest of honor, Dr. Jitendra Nagpal, who is a renowned psychiatrist at Moolchand Hospital and Program Director of Expressions India. He is also associated with a number of projects of CBSE. Hearty welcome to you, sir. It's a matter of great pride to welcome our special guest, Dr. Gitanjali Kumar. She is not only a practicing counselor, but also a successful parenting coach. Apart from this, Dr. Kumar is an effective motivational speaker. Hearty welcome to you, ma'am. It's a pleasure to welcome our own accomplished alumni who have done us proud. I extend a warm welcome to our alumnus, Mr. Vivek Chawla, batch 2006. He is an ace photographer and has bagged many awards for his superlative photography skills. Warm welcome is in order for our other alumnus of batch 2010, Mr. Piyush Gupta. He's the co-founder of VerySmart.ai and is a very successful entrepreneur. Warm welcome to you to your own school. Now I request Ms. Shruti Verma to present the motivational song sung by our own indigenous singer, Suvijay.
पिघला दे जंजीरें बनाने की शमशीरें कर हर मैदान फतेह ओ बंदेया कर हर मैदान फतेह घायल परिंदा है तू दिखलाते जिंदा है तू बाकी है तुझ में हौसला तो क्या टूटी शमशीरों से ही हो। कर हर मैदान फतेह, कर हर मैदान फतेह, कर हर मैदान फतेह रे बंदिया, हर मैदान फतेह, कर हर मैदान फतेह, कर हर मैदान फतेह, कर हर मैदान फतेह रे बंदिया, हर मैदान फतेह। इन गर्दिशों के बादलों पे चढ़ के वक्त का गिरे बाँ पकड़ के, पूछना है जीत का पता, जीत का पता। इन मुट्ठियों में चांद तारे भर के, आसमां की हद से गुजर के, हो जा तू भीड़ से जुदा, भीड़ से जुदा, भीड़ से जुदा। कहने को जर्रा है तू, लोहे का छर्रा है तू, टूटी शमशीरों से ही हो। कर हर मैदान फतेह, कर हर मैदान फतेह, कर हर मैदान फतेह रे बंदिया, हर मैदान फतेह, कर हर मैदान फतेह, कर हर मैदान फतेह, कर हर मैदान फतेह रे बंदिया, हर मैदान फतेह, कर हर मैदान फतेह, कर हर मैदान फतेह, कर हर मैदान फतेह रे बंदिया, हर मैदान फतेह। तेरी कोशिशें ही कामयाब होंगी, जब तेरी ये जिद आग होंगी, फूक देंगी ना उम्मीदियां, ना उम्मीदियां। तेरे पीछे पीछे रास्ते ये चल के, बाहों के निशानों में ढल के, ढूंढ लेंगे अपना सिया, अपना सिया, अपना सिया। लम्हों से आंख मिला के रख दे जी जान लड़ा के, टूटी शमशीरों से ही हो। कर हर मैदान, हर मैदान, हर मैदान, हर मैदान, कर हर मैदान फतेह, कर हर मैदान फतेह, कर हर मैदान फतेह बंदिया, हर मैदान फतेह, कर हर मैदान फतेह, कर हर मैदान फतेह, कर हर मैदान फतेह बंदिया, हर मैदान फतेह, कर हर मैदान फतेह, कर हर मैदान फतेह, कर हर मैदान फतेह बंदिया, हर मैदान फतेह, कर हर मैदान फतेह बंदिया, हर मैदान फतेह।
Thanks, Vijay, for such a beautiful, melodious, and soulful song. I now invite our very dedicated and dynamic Madam Principal, Miss Reena Rajpal, to present her address and apprise us with the details of the education fair. Madam Principal.
Thank you, Shalini. Respected Dr. Biswajit Saha, Dr. Jitendra Nagpal, Dr. Gitanjali Kumar, Vivek Chawla, Piyush Gupta, parents, teachers, and students, a very good morning to you all. I welcome you to Infinitum 2020, our virtual education expo. It is a privilege indeed to have amongst us today Dr. Biswajit Saha, Director, Skill Education and Training, CBSE, a PhD in Computer Science and Engineering, Dr. Saha is known for his innovative ideas, sincerity, and hard work. His recent contribution in all the handbooks released by the Minister of Education, Shri Pokhriyal, in the annual National Conference of Sahodaya School Complexes, which concluded this Friday, gives an idea about his dynamism. He has an indispensable role in the implementation of the NEP. A very warm welcome to you, sir. I also warmly welcome Dr. Jitendra Nagpal, who is a senior consultant psychiatrist and in charge of the Institute of Child Development and Adolescent Health at Moolchand Medicity, and also the program director of Expressions India. He has been wearing a lot of hats. Just to name a few, he is the chairperson, Child Health Committee working on the new education policy. He is a member of advisory group of Child Mental Health Committee of NCPCR. He's the advisor with CBSE for its various child-centric life skill programs. He's also the writer of those books that I was mentioning a few minutes back. Welcome to you, sir. It is also a proud privilege to have with us Dr. Gitanjali Kumar. She is a practicing counselor, trainer, parenting coach, and a motivational speaker. Currently, she is a national resource person for Nationwide Adolescent Education Program. In fact, our infinitum will be incomplete without her. She has been joining us for the last 3 years and has created an important place in our infinitum. I extend a warm welcome to you, dear ma'am. I also welcome Mr. Vivek Chawla, the award-winning photographer of DLDAV Shalimar Bagh, and Mr. Piyush Gupta, co-founder of VerySmart.ai. They are our alumni and have been giving internships to our students. In fact, our alumni are a great source of strength for us. They are always ready to give back to the alma mater and have contributed handsomely to this education expo in terms of sharing their expertise with the students and parents. For the last many years, they have been coming to us to participate not only in this fair, but round the year as judges, guests, and performers. As an educational institution, we believe that we have a huge responsibility, that of shaping future citizens. On one hand, we have to equip our children with global citizenship skills, and on the other, nurture them into fine human beings. The present pandemic has certainly underlined the importance of nurturing children holistically. We also believe that each student of the school is significant and unique in his own way and should be helped to discover his talents and abilities so that he can achieve his potential. There is a tremendous amount of information regarding courses and colleges available on the internet, but without guidance, it can become overwhelming. It can bog you down. The Education Expo is an important step in this direction. It will offer a unique opportunity to our learners for assessing which direction is right for them. There are many constraints under which we are living presently. It is not safe to step out still. So we have put together this virtual career expo for you. We are bringing information about careers to your very home. Also, for your convenience, we will upload the recording of all the sessions on our school's YouTube channel so that not just DLDAV Shalimar Bagh students benefit from them, but the larger community can also benefit. Another advantage will be that the sessions can be viewed repeatedly. Through this fair, students will benefit in two ways. One, they'll be able to get some meaningful counseling from our dynamic alumni experts who will give them an actual glimpse into the careers and talk about the benefits, perks, challenges, and pitfalls. Nothing is more effective than real life experiences. Secondly, they will have the privilege of listening to the distinguished resource persons who will guide them for college admissions and career opportunities. I must share with you all that tomorrow, that is on 15th of December at 9 a.m., we are going to have a very special session on courses and admissions in Delhi University. This will be taken by two people who are at the helm of affairs, Dean and Deputy Dean of Admissions, Delhi University. They are Professor Shobha Bagai and Dr. Haneet Gandhi. I hope all learners listen to these resource persons carefully, ask questions, and clear their doubts regarding admissions, courses, and careers. They can also have hands-on guidance and advice from the official representatives of various Indian and foreign universities in the days to come. Dear parents, our children are our pride, and we will leave no stone unturned to see them as happy and successful individuals. Having multiple experts to listen to while sitting at home is a great opportunity to get insights, tips, and even one-to-one advice that might not normally be available to children. So watch these sessions with your children and interact with the officials. Dear children, may you shine and become accomplished professionals. Thank you so much. And sir, I would invite Dr. Saha to, yes, sir. So I know that you are very, very busy, and I'm grateful to you for giving us whatever time you possibly could. So the flow, I would want to hear, I and everybody else would want to hear your words of wisdom. So over to you, sir.
Thank you, ma'am. I think it's a great honor for me to be here with you, and especially Dr. Nagpal, Madam Gitanjali, and all your alumni, because they are the actually strong pillar for any civilizations, for any growth of academic institutes or industrial growth. The strong connections and network is always give a huge dividend. So my personal compliment to all pass outs and those who are really connected with the roots. So Vivek and that from that AI Foundations, the other pass outs, all the faculty members, headmistress, coordinator of the schools, and of course my dear students who have joined us through social media platform. And in fact, this program is for you. And even if we want to avail this opportunity, it's not possible for us, for the teachers, even for the Dr. Nagpal. So these opportunities for you. And that age appropriate features what the academic institutes together with the partnered university what today they are providing, it was a complete missing phenomena in our time. So I think it is high time you must get involved into it and see the features of what are the different career prospect where you can shine upon, and as early possible. I think that is going to help you out to take the correct decisions. And then, of course, sometimes fight with the parents, sometimes some sort of negotiations with the parents and peers. So altogether, ultimately, you have to take the decisions and which suits you. So many a times, many a times our parents, even the teachers, take a pivotal role where they try to convince you, but your convictions to your ultimate take up, that journey is you have to take. And here you, and that should be connected with your dream. So my humble request to the parent community, to the teaching community, that the career decisions, you should be act as a supporter. And what children wants to take, you should give them the option. Okay, these are the prospects and some due analysis, because in 21st century's requirement, what industry has projected, there I believe more human-centered personality is required, who can accommodate each and everything in life. And that profile change, if you look into the different personality, even your ex pass outs, so their career journey is maybe they started with something, landed with another things, and maybe thinking to change over. So that changeover in career is a quite common phenomena nowadays, whether they're with the industry or maybe with the working for the social cause. So lot of things students need to understand, and how while transacting the curriculum that can be placed before them, that would be the role of the teachers. The teachers not only look into that, okay, I have to finish that syllabus and then they will be ready for the examination. Those days are gone. I think we have to change our mindset towards that, so that besides academic activities, how we can help the student to choose right career. So maybe professional career counselor is of course required. We can take the help of the university, and especially my request to the university for backward integrations, that is highly essential, and for you of course forward integrations. And through that process, I think more deliverables could be placed before the student, and accordingly they can take the right decisions. I believe Dr. Gitanjali, Dr. Nagpal, and other professionals who are continuously trying to help CBSE schools and other state government schools to take up this journey forward. My compliment to them, and because they are not only looking into the only career prospects, rather the stability in the mindset, which is also very much important. But otherwise, in that race, sometimes human loss. So we don't want, every individual is important, their life is important. So that's why my compliment to DAB Society, because DAB management, DAB Society try to keep the way they are transacting the educations. They're trying to strongly connect with the roots, that Indian ethos, values, and culture, which are the design principles for human life. This is really important, and I strongly appeal that parents also look into these dynamics differently and as a part of holistic development of the child. So once again, my good wishes to all of you, and especially to your alumni and the student who are presently studying in the school. My appeal to you that you will be also future thought leader, but try to be a giver like your teachers and scientific community and like your seniors. So then only the journey will be a continuous process, and we all can enjoy and benefit out of it. And entire society towards sustainable objectives, we can work together. With these good wishes, let me pause here. And I think this entire 2 weeks program is going to give a huge dividend, and internship is really need of the hour, and school must work with the local industry so that the strong connectivity gives them lot of opportunity. So with the hope of positivity. Finally, I am pausing here. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. That was very, very motivational speech from your side. Dr. Saha, we assure you that in DLDAV, our good work under your able guidance, we will continue. Thank you so much, sir. Now, I request our guest of honor, Dr. Jitendra Nagpal, to guide us on the quintessential role of mental wellness in today's challenging time. The stage is all yours, sir.
Very good morning and thank you, ma'am. Congratulations to LDAV. I assume that the school has been part of my learning also. So I am a continuous and a comprehensive student of your school. And thanks to the Rajpal, Dr. Gitanjali, Pooja Yadav, all the teachers, and of course Dr. Shubha from the Delhi University. Thanks a lot. We both before you, Dr. Biswajit Saha. I call Dr. Biswajit Saha the professor of all seasons, and who's been a torchbearer on behalf of the Government of India to take the skill building of our youth to the next level of our century. It's a moment of delight again to share our sentiment. I won't say intellect, because I think when we talk the demographic bonus of young people in our country is the highest in the world. We are nothing less than about 35 crores of adolescents who we are addressing through very innovative programs like Infinitum. So congratulations to the school. I always believe that and imbibing us of perpetual is part of education. It becomes part of education. Education is all about leading to infinity, isn't it? The whole idea about unfolding, reinventing, and innovating the potential of our mind. And that's where mind, mental health, and mental well-being become the forerunners and the pillars of our career choices also. I've learned from the students in the last about 20 years. Dr. Gitanjali is very well aware of that. We have actually grown, and I always feel that I'm part of adolescence even now, because I feel that the awareness and the responsibility and the empowerment, the enthusiasm, the energy, the ecstatic zeal to touch the limits of the sky have to be learned from the children of our country. That's where the leadership of the future lies. Though we are at 2020, but let me tell you, the millennium has brought in a rapid, dynamic, infinite change that we have to learn to first accept it. So my first mantra for the day, which I've learned from actually the students all over the country, is learn to accept rapid change. We are a demographic bonus, I told you, a large population. And we have the potential for reinventing our technology to suit the 21st century. Second point. And third, very important, you have the window. You have the window of opportunity. Like this education fair is one iota in the entire country's potential, but it's a role model. Many such education fairs are required. I believe at least about 1 lakh fairs are required. Such programs are required across the country. So your school and your students and your teachers and professional support is role model, जिसको हम एक देते हैं अपने व्यवसायिक जीवन को आगे बढ़ाने के लिए. तो आप लोग से भी विनती है, एक गुजारिश है और एक निवेदन है, अपने साथियों के साथ, अपने एलुमनाई के साथ, intellectual consortium. You have such a huge intellectual consortium with the addition of emotions to it, and I call it the amalgamation and the the support of the science, spirituality for sustainable success. The 4S's, and you have that right now. And the 10-day fair is going to be a fantastic beginning for bringing about a change, which is to for choices. But yes, we have to be cautious. While the population is high, diversity of opportunities are high, and we have so much opportunity to choose careers, what is required then? then what is required? If a little bit of my experience and I come across interacting with students, that patience, one, tolerance, second, and perseverance. Many others are there. बट अगर हमारे में सबर, सहन, संचार और मेहनत, अगर ये 3-4 चीजें लगी रहेंगी हमारे पर्सनालिटी में, हमारे जहन में, आई एम श्योर चांसेस ऑफ career is choosing what I love to do in life, not what I want to become in life. Designations तो मिल जाएंगे आपको. आपको CEO का designation, president का designation, designation of becoming a chief manager, a general manager in a corporate company, you will get. The precedent and the antecedent of that is patience, tolerance, perseverance, and continued reinventing. Continued reinventing. This is what the CBSE has just mentioned in the last Sahodaya conference also, and Dr. Biswajit Shah has been a torchbearer, constantly unlearning and relearning. Adapt to what is available in the market, get appraisal of that and your personality. I'm sure Gitanjali will tell us today more, and along with the others, how your personality, your emotion, and maybe even your ability to take alternate careers. The world belongs to even alternate careers. It is not about only one career and one job and one work you do in life. Diversity is open to you. There are doctors who have so many other beautiful simultaneous careers. There are engineers who are leading the country. We have engineers who are IAS officers, and so much diversity. I think this century belongs to diversity of choices also, not just the diversity of population, culture, and languages. So, आपके choices में भी diversity होनी चाहिए. And Madam mentioned about how the mental health component influences. In fact, my little experience says mental health is not about the mind only. It is so much about, your own creative and critical thinking about everything we do in life. To weigh the pros and cons, to bring about a change, be updated about what we are likely to choose in life. And you may not be able to choose always the right thing. So what? We can also choose an alternate one. So as we move ahead in life, we are not only one effective choice. We have a diversity to move. We have a challenge to even improve our personality traits, which are available in the market in terms of what you wish to do, to also accomplish vis-a-vis the nature and the nurturance. So remember, what we are learning is a constant wheel of invention and constant wheel of movement, not getting stuck, diversifying, growing, becoming faster, and that's where the alumni are going to tell us. The alumni tell us how the world has changed, and it is for the better. Remember, Mark Twain said, the very famous writer, I have not let education interfere with always my choices in life, or my school with my education. The issue is that our school is offering the window of opportunity, the platform. Let us utilize that completely. And with the peoples, the innovation, and how we all interact with the parents also. One advice to parents is, let the child be, let the children dream, let the children imagine the future, the spirit of inquiry, the spirit of passion, compassion, communication, and collaboration. These are the 21st century skills. Let the children be supported by you, but let them choose the choices in their life. And that's where communication, the family partnerships lie. The family and the school needs to have partnerships for such beautiful, wonderful programs. So I think it is a platform of a new development, of a new kind of a thing, and a new kind of a sentiment, where we all join together, uphold the dignity of the future generation, and give them the opportunity of actually choosing what they wish to do. I also wish to conclude by saying that we are a country with so much of diversity in the available, but then the best choices are only by being aware, by being responsible by whatever we do in life. Please remember, sometimes in a worry and a haste, in a hurry, people choose careers which probably are not suited to them, and they are under peer pressure. They are of the family or pressure of the social media. Kindly take out time to think about your thinking, which I call as metacognition. Metacognition is about thinking of your own thinking. And for that, you have the alumni, you have mother, father, and the family members, you have respected teachers, our education warriors, you have the counselors. So allow your thinking not to be governed only by the emotion, but thinking and rethinking, unlearning and relearning about careers are the opportunity by such education fairs. So I believe that a personality unfolds in the challenge of 21st century, and we allow that to happen. And in the school, we thank our respected parents for giving us such opportunities. As Dr. Saha said, we did not have these opportunities in our school time. We had limited career choices. We had limited counselors. We had limited resources. But we have an ocean of opportunity. And yes, the caution is, while I swim across the ocean, I need to be mental health, strong emotion, and emotional intelligence also, not to become subjugated or maybe a victim of certain challenges which I'm not to cope up with. Counselor will help you how what you care and sustain them lifelong success. So diversity is the choice is your ability to live and is yours. So thank you so much and congratulations to Infinitum and thank you Principal Ma'am, counselors, Dr. Gitanjali, Dr. Shobha for giving me this opportunity. And, most importantly, thank you Dr. Saha for always being the educational leader of our country.
Thank you, sir, for your words of wisdom. Actually, you made us think, as you said, thinking to think. Such a beautiful thought, sir. And you talked about, having patience, tolerance, and perseverance. So I think your guiding mantras, we will incorporate. We have been incorporating. Yes? So, sir, we from our hearts, thanks a lot. With this in mind, Dr. Gitanjali, to motivate us and navigate us through the highs and lows of life. Gitanjali ma'am, we know your motivation, your inspiration, and your smiling face and demeanor. Ma'am, it says it all. So over to you, ma'am. Yes.
Good morning, Reena ji. Good morning, Dr. Nagpal. Again, a pleasure to see you. I think DLDAV platform is where we meet. हकीकत में मिलना तो फसाना लगने लगा है डॉक्टर साहब के लिए because he's a busy man. And I must thank Reena ji for again giving me the pleasure for this homecoming. It's indeed a pleasure when I visit this school. And let me be very honest that today sitting in my room, joining with everybody, I'm imagining, I'm recollecting that colorful gaiety of your school veranda, the ushering by your school excited students and the way the fair used to be set up, and in that bright sunshine, those beautiful anticipating faces wanting to listen to one and all. The last career fair, rather the photograph which you have put up is also of my visit to your school during one of these function programs only. So thank you so much for bringing those memories alive. After listening to Dr. Saha and Dr. Nagpal, I'm wondering where is the lead, because both of them have talked about everything possible in terms of career guidance to students. Apart from taking them up one-on-one, which may happen in the coming week as you have planned, as Madam Principal was talking about. What I feel when I think of the kind of chaos where we are today in terms of what remains, what changes, not only in careers, in skills, in abilities, in education, the way we are providing education to school, one thing that comes to my mind is that it is only change and change and change and change. So the young students who are watching this program today, my only lesson which I am learning today is, can you and I be willing to change always? Can we learn to change always? Can we have that kind of a flexibility and adaptability within ourselves for to keep learning and to keep changing? Dr. Nagpal spoke about learning all the life. Yes, the only thing that comes to my mind in terms of career guidance or career counseling is that no learning is a complete learning. No learning is a permanent learning. So the child today in the school, whether in class 10th and 11th and 12th, 10th हो जाएगा तो सब कुछ आसान हो जाता है, 12वीं हो जाती है तो सब कुछ आसान हो जाता है। पीयूष यहाँ बैठा है और विवेक भी यहाँ बैठे हैं, जरा उनसे पूछिएगा कि क्या आसान हुआ है। वो कहते हैं ना, पिक्चर तो अभी बाकी है, हरदम पिक्चर बाकी रहती है। हम जितनी देख लेते हैं, जितनी जी लेते हैं, उससे कहीं ज्यादा बाकी रह जाती है। आज जो भी कोई काम कर रहा है, सॉरी मैं पीयूष के साथ नाम गलत बोल गई, विवेक का नाम मुझे कहना चाहिए था क्योंकि यही दो एलिमनी स्टूडेंट से इंट्रोड्यूस कराया गया है। आई एम वेरी वेरी हैप्पी टू सी द यंग विंड्स ऑफ चेंज ऑन दिस प्लेटफॉर्म टुडे, बिकॉज जो ये इंस्पायर और मोटिवेट करेंगे अपने जूनियर्स को, आई थिंक उससे ज्यादा तो हमारे पास अल्फाज भी नहीं होंगे। एक बात जो मुझे समझ में आती है, जो मैं बहुत पैशनेटली पकड़ के चलती हूँ, जो मुझे लगता है आने वाले दौर में सबके काम आएगा, कैन वी बी पैशनप्रेन्योर्स? क्या मेरे अंदर जो आग है, क्या मेरे अंदर जो ख्वाहिश है, क्या मेरे अंदर जो जुस्तजू है, जो मेरी डिजायर है, जो मेरी यर्निंग है, कैन आई फिगर इट आउट? क्या मैं उसको पहचान सकती हूँ, जान सकता हूं? और उसको अचीव कैसे करेंगे लाइफ में, उसका रास्ता मुझे बनाना है। बिल्कुल वैसे ही कि घर में बैठ के जिक्र कर रहे हैं कि मुझे तो आज गोलगप्पे खाने हैं, गोलगप्पे खाने हैं, गोलगप्पे खाने हैं। गोलगप्पे कहाँ के अच्छे होते हैं, फिर हम ये सोचते हैं घर के पास कहाँ है, हम दूर जा सकते हैं या नहीं, कितना समय है हमारे पास, उबर मिल जाएगी या नहीं मिल जाएगी। मतलब एक डेस्टिनेशन को तय करने के पहले एक डेस्टिनेशन का चुनाव बहुत जरूरी है। जब आपने एक डेस्टिनेशन तय कर लिया, फिर आप उसके लिए रास्ते निकालेंगे, और रास्ते निकालने के टाइम पर बहुत सारे पैरामीटर्स आप अपनी चॉइस के लिए लेते हैं, और वही पैरामीटर्स आपकी करियर डिसीजन के लिए भी होते हैं। पर्सनालिटी की बात डॉक्टर साहब कह रहे थे, मैं पर्सनालिटी को भी अब और ज्यादा सिंप्लीफाई करना चाह रही हूँ कि हम ये जान पाए मैं कौन हूं, मैं क्या हूं। मैं 10th क्लास में पढ़ने वाली लड़की हूं, मैं 11th क्लास में पढ़ने वाला लड़का हूं, यस मैं हूं, लेकिन इसके बियॉन्ड मैं क्या हूं? मैं साइंस पढ़ रहा हूं, मैं कॉमर्स पढ़ रहा हूं, मैं इसके बियॉन्ड क्या हूं? क्या मैं अपने आप से ये जान सकता हूं, जान सकती हूं? टू नो योरसेल्फ इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। व्हेन यू स्टार्ट नोइंग योरसेल्फ, यू स्टार्ट रियलाइजिंग योर इंटरेस्ट एंड एप्टीट्यूड। मैथ्स में मेरे नंबर आ जाते हैं, लेकिन मैं 12th के बाद मैथ्स पढ़ना नहीं चाहता। जो मर्जी सब कह ले, मैं मैथ्स नहीं पढ़ूंगा। इस तरह की अपनी सोच को कुचलिए मत। कंसिडर योर थॉट्स वेरी ऑनेस्टली, बिकॉज आप मम्मी पापा के प्रेशर से, ट्यूटर के समझाने से मैथ्स ले तो लेंगे, लेकिन उससे हासिल कर पाएंगे? बिकॉज वॉट एवर स्टडी यू डू, one thing is very sure, we have to draw returns out of our studies. वर्ल्ड इकोनॉमिक फोरम की जो स्टडी आई है, उसमें जो उन्होंने टॉप फ्यू एम्प्लॉयबिलिटी स्किल्स की बात की है, उसमें क्रिटिकल थिंकिंग, डिजाइन थिंकिंग, क्रिएटिव थिंकिंग की बात कर रहे हैं, प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग अप्रोच की बात कर रहे हैं। तो सबसे पहले हम यही प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व कर लेते हैं ना, मैं कौन हूं, मैं क्या हूं, मेरा पैशन क्या है। आपके इन्फिनिटम के इनवाइट में बहुत खूबसूरत सा कोट लिखा है, if you know what you love and you can find a person who will let you do what you love and even pay you for doing what you love, then you are never working all your life. बस यही सार है करियर गाइडेंस का, कि आप ये जान सकें कि आपको क्या अच्छा लगता है, आप क्या उम्र भर करना चाहेंगे। अब बच्चे अक्सर मुझे पास जब आते हैं प्राइवेट सेशंस के लिए, ये कहते हैं मुझे मेरा इंटरेस्ट नहीं मालूम। इंटरेस्ट मालूम करने के लिए ये मोबाइल से थोड़ा दूर रहना पड़ता है, ये गैजेट से दूर रहना पड़ता है। अब आज के जमाने में कोविड के टाइम पर हमें इनसे दोस्ती ज्यादा करनी पड़ रही है, कीजिए इनसे दोस्ती, लेकिन दिन में कुछ हिस्से इनसे इन्हें भूल भी जाइए। डिटॉक्स, टेक्नोलॉजी डिटॉक्स बहुत जरूरी है। उस टेक्नोलॉजी डिटॉक्स में आप अपने आप से दोस्ती करेंगे, अपने आप से जानेंगे कि कौन से सब्जेक्ट में कितना मजा आ रहा था, कौन सा सब्जेक्ट है जो मैं सबसे पहले उठा के पढ़ना चाहता हूँ, कौन सा सब्जेक्ट है जिसमें थोड़ी सी भी हेल्प मिल जाए आई स्टार्ट एंजॉयिंग इट, कौन सा सब्जेक्ट है जिसकी मैं रिसर्च ज्यादा करता हूं। दैट्स हाउ यू कैन नो योर इंटरेस्ट। और पर्सनैलिटी का एक छोटा सा हिस्सा है इंटरेस्ट को जानना। इंटरेस्ट और एप्टीट्यूड में अंतर समझना बहुत जरूरी है। कुछ जॉब्स में कुछ एप्टीट्यूड्स की जरूरत होती है। अब जो टाइम्स आ रहे हैं उसमें हम एनालिटिक्स की बात कर रहे हैं, डाटा एनालिटिक्स की बात कर रहे हैं, बिजनेस एनालिटिक्स की बात कर रहे हैं, ह्यूमन एनालिटिक्स की बात कर रहे हैं, कंटेंट एनालिटिक्स की बात कर रहे हैं। सारा खेल नंबर का है, सारा खेल इंफॉर्मेशन का है। इतने सारे आपके घर में, आपके मोबाइल्स पे मैसेजेस आ जाते हैं, लोन्स ले लीजिए, फ्लैट खरीद लीजिए, यहां सेल वहां सेल, अब सब जगह आपका मेरा नंबर नहीं गया हुआ। ये सिर्फ डाटा का कमाल है, ये सिर्फ नंबर्स का कमाल है। आप फेसबुक पे कुछ देखना शुरू करते हैं, कुछ आपके इंटरेस्ट की आप एक चीज देखते हैं। मैं हैंडबैग्स देख रही थी, पता चला कि मेरे फेसबुक के मैसेजेस में हैंडबैग्स की डिफरेंट कंपनीज के मैसेज जाने शुरू हो गए। मेरे इंटरेस्ट को एनालाइज कर लिया गया और वहां पे काम आई आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस। किसको किस चीज का शौक है, किसको किस चीज की प्रेफरेंस है। अब अगर आप इसके साथ इस टेक्नोलॉजी, इस प्लेटफॉर्म का आप मेरे से ज्यादा इस्तेमाल करते हैं, इस प्लेटफॉर्म का इस्तेमाल थोड़ी क्रिटिकल थिंकिंग के साथ कीजिए ना। जब आप क्रिटिकल थिंकिंग के साथ इसका इस्तेमाल करेंगे तभी तो आप इससे उभरते हुए करियर्स को देख पाएंगे। नंबर्स की गेम को समझना है, कंटेंट की गेम को समझना है, तो इंटरेस्ट अगर इन चीजों में है, एप्टीट्यूड मैथमेटिक्स का है, एप्टीट्यूड कंप्यूटर्स का है, तो ये लाइंस आपके लिए निकल के आती है। सो व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू टेल यू इज what you do and how you do the whole day long will give you an idea. एक बहुत अच्छी तो नहीं कहूंगी, बट yes, I did enjoy watching a movie on Hotstar, Backpackers. एक 4-5 एपिसोड का एक सीरियल था। Accidentally we touched upon that, and late at night when I just feel like unwinding, that's the time कि कुछ भी जिसमें दिमाग नहीं लगे उसको देखना है। और मेरा दिमाग नहीं लगा लेकिन दिल बहुत लगा उसमें, because it talked about youngsters जो अपने अपनी जॉब से छोड़ के जिंदगी के फैसले करने हैं। जिंदगी में बहुत कंफ्यूजन है, समझ में नहीं आ रहा, क्रूशियल लाइफ टाइम डिसीजंस लेने हैं, एंड दे गो फॉर अ सोलो ट्रिप. So that is where I understood the importance of what I keep practicing to everybody, and the youngsters are using it. Take a pause in your life. Halt in your life. जब चीजें रेस की तरह दौड़ती चली जा रही हैं, 10th के बच्चों के ऊपर कितना प्रेशर है, 11th के सब्जेक्ट्स बताओ, 11th में क्या पढ़ोगे? स्कूल भी कह रहा है, घर भी कह रहा है, पड़ोसी भी कह रहा है, दोस्त भी कह रहा है, और 12वीं के बच्चों को भैया फॉर्म्स निकल रहे हैं, व्हिच फॉर्म्स आर यू गोइंग टू फिल? कल दिल्ली यूनिवर्सिटी से जब मैडम आएंगी तो वो आपको इतनी सारी ऑप्शंस बता के चली जाएंगी, एंड एवरीबडी वुड फील वाओ, देयर इज समथिंग फॉर मी. यस, there is something for you. लेकिन when there is so much of information available, there is so much of information load, then भैया ठहर जाइए, रुक जाइए, take a pause, get connected to yourself. आपको क्या अच्छा लगता है, आप क्या करना चाहोगे, ये जानकारी आपके सिवा किसके पास होगी? अब स्कूल आपसे इतने सारी चीजों में आपको इन्वॉल्व कर रहा है, कहीं पर भी एक कमी महसूस नहीं होने दे रहा दैट आप स्कूल में नहीं आए एंड यू आर मिसिंग आउट ऑन एनी अपॉर्चुनिटी, वेदर इट वाज द मेंटल हेल्थ वीक, वेदर इट इज द ह्यूमन राइट्स डे, वेदर इट इज द लेप्रोसी डे, वेदर इट इज द whether it is your career fair, whether it is the annual function, whether it is the felicitation ceremony, everything is happening. Where are you involved in it? Art and craft करते हैं, sense of design and aesthetics is there in you. आप रिसर्च वर्क कर रहे हैं, कंप्यूटर से इंफॉर्मेशन निकाल के देख रहे हैं, रिसर्च और एनालिटिकल स्किल्स आपकी अच्छी हैं, आप प्रेजेंटेशंस बना रहे हैं, वीडियो बना रहे हैं. पीपल हु वर एसोसिएटेड विद क्रिएटिंग दैट स्मॉल 1 minute वीडियो जो आपके इन्फिनिटम का वेलकम वीडियो था, some of you are involved in that. So perhaps you are for photography, perhaps you are for video editing courses, perhaps the list is endless. आजकल आई कम अक्रॉस चिल्ड्रन उससे मैम गेमिंग में क्या करियर होगा, मैं पबजी इतने घंटे खेल सकता हूं. देखिए, the laurel which they are presenting to me, PUBG I can play for 18 hours. I play this game, I play that game. मैंने एक अपनी गेम आर्ट बुक में क्रिएट की है. The child, he's not a child, he's an engineering student. He comes with his scrapbook and shows me कि मैंने अभी कोडिंग नहीं सीखी है, मैं फर्स्ट ईयर में हूँ and my father doesn't want me to get into all this, लेकिन मैंने पूरी गेम सीक्वेंस में अपनी आर्ट बुक में बना दी है. मैम, टेल मी आफ्टर engineering, can I go into some gaming courses? So मेरा एप्टीट्यूड और मेरा इंटरेस्ट, मैंने उससे कहा कि अगर इतनी जोर से गेमिंग का मन करता है, दैट इज योर पैशन. इसीलिए पैशनप्रेन्योर्स की मैं बात कर रही हूँ. चाहे आप कैंडल बनाते हैं, चाहे आप चॉकलेट बनाते हैं, किसी भी चीज को आप दिल से करते हैं तो वो चीज खूबसूरत होती है. एक बहुत ही खूबसूरत आर्टिकल था लास्ट वीक न्यूज़पेपर में जो कहता था, टिल 40 डोंट रन आफ्टर मनी, रन आफ्टर योर पैशंस, money will follow. So my dear young children, when you are sitting at home and listening to me and listening to other people also who will be coming across in the coming week, please try and identify your passion. कौन से करियर्स में पैसा है, टॉप 10 करियर्स, टॉप 5 करियर्स, ऐसे बतलाऊंगी, मैं भी बता दूंगी और लोग भी बता देंगे. लेकिन are they meant for me? मुझे कंप्यूटिंग का शौक है, मुझे एनालिटिक्स का शौक है, मुझे सॉल्वेंसी एक्सपर्ट बनना है, मुझे फ्रॉड एक्सपर्ट बनना है. अब देखिए, when we have people like विजय मलाया, नीरव मोदी, जो इतना कुछ गड़बड़ करते हैं, उनकी गड़बड़ को पकड़ने के लिए we have fraud experts. Recently, Vijay Malaya has just sent an appeal in the UK courts that he's short of money, he's finished all his money, so उनको उनकी एक प्रॉपर्टी को बेचने की इजाजत दी जाए. So we have solvency experts जो कहते हैं कि इनके पास अब कुछ नहीं रहा, इनकी कुड़की हो गई है. The house, the mansion in Goa is what the government has taken from him because of the kind of debt he had to pay. So ये सब चीजें तय करते हैं ये solvency experts हैं. जब हम डिजाइन थिंकिंग की बात करते हैं तो उसमें एक ह्यूमन जेनेसिस की नाम आ गए हैं. एक लेडी की हाथ का पाम और एक मेल का पाम के साइज फर्क है. तो आईफोन मेल के लिए आईफोन 12 का मेल वर्जन क्या होगा, फीमेल वर्जन का क्या होगा. जब आईफोन हर 6 महीने के बाद एक नया ब्रांड आपके लिए ला रहा है, आईफोन 10, आईफोन 10 सीरीज, आईफोन 11 सीरीज, आईफोन 12 सीरीज, आईफोन 12 के साथ साथ एक और EX जनरेशन सीरीज आ गई. इवन आई एम यूजिंग दैट फोन. लेकिन इन सब में फर्क कहाँ आता है? दे आर पीपल हु आर इनटू डिजाइन थिंकिंग, दे आर पीपल हु आर डिजाइनिंग इन सच अ माइक्रो फैशन. मेल और फीमेल वर्जन्स का अलग तरीके से फोन डिजाइन किया जाएगा. मतलब चीजें इतनी ज्यादा बदल गई हैं. कल ही मैं कहीं पढ़ रही थी, रेलवे ट्रांसपोर्ट मैनेजमेंट इंस्टीट्यूशन, वी हैव बैचलर्स डिग्री इन ट्रांसपोर्ट मैनेजमेंट, वी हैव अनदर बैचलर्स डिग्री जो कि ट्रांसपोर्ट इंजीनियरिंग का कोर्स इंट्रोड्यूस कर रहे हैं. इंफॉर्मेशन आपके इर्द गिर्द ही है. सिर्फ इंफॉर्मेशन इकट्ठे करके आपको देने का काम करियर गाइडेंस नहीं होगा. You have this tool with you which is called as Google. You know it much more than I know it. आप मुझसे बेहतर तरीके से इसका इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं, लेकिन फर्क आपका और मेरा यही आएगा कि मैं इसको इस्तेमाल करने से पहले ये सोचूंगी मेरा पर्पस क्या है, मुझे क्या करना है और क्यों करना है. क्रिटिकल थिंकिंग, मेरी प्रॉब्लम क्या है, जिस प्रॉब्लम का ऑप्शन मुझे, कि प्रॉब्लम के लिए मुझे सोल्यूशन इससे ढूंढना है, प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग अप्रोच मैं लगाऊंगी. क्या ये इंफॉर्मेशन कहीं और इस्तेमाल हो सकती है? डिजाइन थिंकिंग मुझे करनी है. एंड दिस इज व्हाट इज रिक्वायर्ड. अ वेरी ब्यूटिफुल आर्टिकल व्हिच आई रेड लास्ट वीक, वेटिंग कुड बी अ न्यू स्किल टू डेवलप. पीयूष यहाँ बैठा है और भी बच्चे यहाँ बैठे हैं. जब आप लैपटॉप को ऑन करते हो और जब लैपटॉप ऑन होने में समय लेता है तो कैसा लगता है? यू वांट कि ऐसी टेक्नोलॉजी हो कि क्लिक करें और ये ऑन हो जाए. हैंग तो ये कभी करे ना. अटैचमेंट को जब हम अटैच कर रहे हैं तो वो जो चंद सेकंड की वेट है ये भी उलझन लगती है, isn't it? लेकिन ये जो वेट है ये बहुत जरूरी है, क्योंकि ये वेट जो है ये आपकी ऑब्जर्वेशन स्किल डेवलप करती है. ये वेट आपको थॉरो थिंकिंग में इंडल्ज करने के लिए नच करती है. ये वेट आपकी बहुत सारी गलतियों को आपको रिव्यू करने का टाइम दे देती है. और आज की जनरेशन को ये नई स्किल विच इज टर्म्ड एज वेटिंग ये सीखनी होगी, क्योंकि ये हमें नहीं आती. हम तो सब जल्दी करो सिंड्रोम से ग्रस्त हैं. हम फोन भी खरीदने जाते हैं, लैपटॉप भी खरीदने जाते हैं, तो हम यही जानना चाहते हैं कि भैया फास्ट प्रोसेसिंग किस में होती है, कितनी फास्ट, मेरी पलक के झपकने से भी ज्यादा फास्ट. इतनी फास्ट प्रोसेसिंग हमें चाहिए ही क्यों? हम बहुत गलतियां कर रहे हैं, बहुत कुछ छूटता जा रहा है हमारे हाथों से, बिकॉज हम बहुत सारी चीजें रजिस्टर ही नहीं कर पा रहे. So my dear children, when you're preparing yourself for future, you'll have to imagine the future. You'll have to visualize the future, and then perhaps you'll have to reinvent the future for your own self. और imagine करने के लिए आपकी ऑब्जर्वेटरी स्किल्स की बहुत जरूरत है कि आप इर्द गिर्द क्या हो रहा है उसको देखिए तो सही, तभी तो इमेजिन कर पाएंगे. और आप क्या चाहते हैं ये जानिए तो सही, तभी तो रीइन्वेंट कर पाएंगे. सो जानने के लिए I've given you a few ways to do it. Associate yourself with whatever is happening within your school. स्कूल आपको जिन भी एक्टिविटीज में इन्वॉल्व करता है, get on to them. मैं क्या सीखूंगा? Why should I be doing this? Please free yourself from these questions, because that is your simple curiosity. Experimentation, initiative. मैकेंजी की जो रिपोर्ट आई है अगस्त के महीने में, वो यही कहती है कि people who can take initiative, people who have teamwork skills, who are more team players. So it is not me and only me. It is we and we only we. वो कहते हैं ना, टॉस करना और कौन पहले खेलेगा ये कैप्टन तय करता है, लेकिन मैच जीतने का क्रेडिट कैप्टन नहीं लेता, टीम लेती है. So likewise, children, when you are working, associate yourself in group projects. जितने ज्यादा आप ग्रुप प्रोजेक्ट्स करते हैं उतनी आपकी पीपल स्किल्स बढ़ती हैं. I'm not going to name the company and I'm not going to name the CEO of the company. We all know that CEO. We all look up to that gentleman जो बहुत बड़ी कंपनी के बहुत बड़े CEO हैं. US बेस्ड कंपनी हो गई है अब वो. हमारा इंडियन ही उस कंपनी के CEO बन चुके हैं. तो जब उस लेवल पे उनकी इंटरव्यू हो रही थी, 5 rounds of interviews were clear and technically टकाटक he impressed everybody. He had plans for the company. He proved himself कि how and why he will prove to be the best asset of the company. कैसे कंपनी का turnover कितने करोड़ बढ़ जाएगा. Everything was planned, but yet one of the person was still not satisfied. उन्होंने उससे पूछा कि suppose you're walking on the road. He said, I don't walk, I drive. He says, suppose you are to walk on the road. He says, why would I walk on the road? He says, you have a flat tire. He says, I'll call for another car, I'll wait. इस तरह से ये conversation थोड़ी सी और चलती है. तो he said, can you imagine yourself walking? तो वो बोले, okay, if you say so, I will try and imagine. myself working, because off late I've only been thinking and I've stopped imagining. I don't remember when I last imagined. He says, but the company would need a lot of imagination. Okay. So he started imagining. He started working. सोच में, ख्यालों में. वो कहते हैं कि आप चल रहे हैं and you find a little baby crying on the road. You're walking and you find a little baby crying on the road. What will be your first response? He says, I'll call the ambulance, I'll call the police to take the baby to the shelter home. He says, that's it? उन्होंने कहा, या जी ऐसा ही करूंगा. Safety of the child. He says, anything else you can do till the police arrives? The police cars arrive. उस time तक आप कुछ और कर सकते हैं? तो उन्होंने कहा, I don't think so. He says, ask me what I will be doing till the police car arrives. He says, okay, you tell me what you would be doing. The gentleman said, I will pick up the baby and hold the baby tight in my arms and try and comfort the baby. कुछ समझ में आया, my dear youngsters? Compassion quotient. He says, we want a CEO who's full of compassion. अगर आप empathize ही नहीं कर पाए कि इस बच्चे को, इस नन्हे मुन्ने को शेल्टर की जरूरत है, लेकिन शेल्टर से पहले एक प्यार वाले टच की जरूरत है, everything will be all right. The child needs to hear, the child needs to feel that everything will be all right. He's in safe hands. So ये जो empathy quotient है, ये जो compassion quotient है, अगर ये हमारे आने वाले समय में बच्चों में कम होने लगा, तो then we are not in safe hands. Then our future is not bright. And this is what our children, you will all have to learn, that how you and I can connect with each other. Human connectedness की बात हो रही है. ये जितने platforms बने हैं, ये हमें connect ही तो कर रहे हैं, लेकिन क्या हम दिल से दिल की दूरी को मिटा पा रहे हैं? We have 5 mobiles for 5 people in the house. We have 3 TVs for 5 people in the house. Do we need so much? इस abundance की हमें जरूरत है? ये abundance हमारी लाइफ में prosperity, splendor ला रहा है? ये कुछ सवाल हैं जो मैं आपके साथ शेयर इसलिए कर रही हूँ, because I have been recently meeting lot of youngsters who are IIT IIM graduates, जो आप सब का एक खूबसूरत सा ख्वाब होगा, लेकिन वो इस ख्वाब को साकार करने के बाद भी उदास है और मेरे पास आ रहे हैं. I'm working as a life coach with them. Nothing is, it's not giving me, it's not making me happy. मैंने सब कुछ accomplish कर लिया मैम, मैंने अपने नाम पर 30 करोड़ जमा कर लिए मैम. I've moved from Rampura area to Mehroli. I built up a mansion for myself. I have 3 dogs. I have Jaguar. I have this. I have that. And still I'm not happy. So my dear children, if you pursue your passions, if you pursue your passion with certain humane skills, happiness तभी आती है. और happiness बाहर से नहीं मिलती है. Happiness is that little light which lies within us. और I wish and I hope and I pray that you can find that light within yourselves that is going to brighten you first, and then your family, and then the society, and then the country, and then the world at large. हम सबको इसी चीज की जरूरत है. आप सब वो नन्ही नन्ही बूंदे हैं. ये बूंदे कब उस सीप के मुंह में डलेंगी, कब ये सीप में ये बूंद जाने पर मोती बन जाएगी, बस समय का इंतजार है. और आप सब उस तरीके से उस बूंद के रूप में उस मोती तक का सफर अच्छे से तय कर पाए, इन्हीं शुभकामनाओं के साथ आई विल नाउ टेक अ पॉज. आई डिडंट इवन चेक कि मेरे पास कितना समय था, बट मैं यही आप सबसे कहना चाह रही थी कि बूंद से मोती का सफर आप सबके भाग्य में लिखा है. आप सब इसको साकार कर पाएंगे, लेकिन इसको साकार करने के लिए सिर्फ और सिर्फ अपना आकार तय कर लीजिए कि मैं क्या हूँ, मैं कौन हूँ, मैं क्या चाहता हूँ। चंद सवालों के जवाब आप ढूंढ लेंगे तो बाहर की क्या पड़ा है इन टर्म्स ऑफ करियर्स, इन टर्म्स ऑफ ऑप्शंस, ये तो आपको कल से पता चलने लग जाएगा। बट व्हाट is the most difficult thing is what lies within me, and I wish that these words of mine help you in your journeys, help you in your individual searchings. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Dr. Gitanjali. It's a pleasure. It's a pleasure to listen to your motivating and enlightening talk. Message taken from you, ma'am. Learn to change, be flexible, and keep learning all your life. To share with you, ma'am, this pandemic has taught all the teachers to teach virtually, and still we are learning. We haven't limited ourselves. We all have truly followed what you have talked about. Thank you, ma'am, for motivating and guiding our students to follow the careers that they are passionate about, to reinvent their future, to be imaginative, to learn to work in team, and to be compassionate, and to find light within yourself, to find happiness within you. We assure you, ma'am, whatever you have taught us, we are really going to follow. To accomplish good things, we must not only act, but also dream. Not only plan, but also believe. Our principal, Mrs. Reena Rajpal, a visionary, has seen our vision. Members of DLJV Shalimar Bagh family, lending out our hand to help each other and to excel in all their endeavors, providing them obtain opportunities to grow even when they are in school and after when they become our alumni. Our school, under her dynamic leadership, goes one step ahead of all the other schools in providing an internship to JV students while studying in school, to our well-established alumni who are professionals, entrepreneurs, CEO of big business organizations. So today we have with us two of our accomplished alumni who had offered internship to JV students in the year 2019-20. Mr. Vivek Chavla, alumnus of our school, batch 2006, an accomplished photographer. He has done mass communication, and dropping his career in media, he started following his passion of photography and started working for Bollywood celebrities. Till date, he has received more than 20 international wedding photography awards, and recently his interview has been broadcasted on Zee Business. So now I invite now a celebrity in his profession, Vivek Chavla, to enlighten us about the internship opportunities in photography. So over to you, Vivek.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much. Good morning, everyone. Yeah, it's my indeed great pleasure to welcome among the alumni of this institution. Not only is it's a moment of happiness and nostalgia for us, but also an opportunity to reflect our learning and achievements. Our alumni have established themselves as successful individuals in almost all the fields, and we could not be any prouder. I want to pay my respect to respected principal ma'am and all the teachers who have worked here dedicatedly for many years. Though some of you have retired and some others have left us for the better prospects, we acknowledge your contribution to this organization. We are grateful for the time you devoted to your work and salute you to your efforts. I felt really glad when I got to know that our principal ma'am has allowed the program for giving internship to our students. Even I went to school in 2016 for judging one of the photography competition, and I swear on my photography. Trust me, I swear on my photography. When I see the pictures clicked by our students, I was literally damn shocked. Means, trust me, guys, क्या creativity है हमारे बच्चों के अंदर. पढ़ाई में हम लोग अच्छे हो ना हो, that's different thing. मैं अपनी personal बात करूं, but at the time of creativity, I found them damn awesome. And I would like to share my personal experience as well. I come from photography background, and my dad has an experience of almost 40 years in photography. Unfortunately, he's no more, and he got died in 2010. And after that, I had to took over his business. Honestly, मैं एक ही बात बेसिकली कहना चाहूंगा हर स्टूडेंट्स के पेरेंट्स से कि एक जो बच्चों पे प्रेशर डालते हैं ना, डोंट टेक इट अदरवाइज. एंड मैं स्टूडेंट से भी ये कहूंगा कि मेरे मैसेज को बैलेंस करके चलें. ऐसा नहीं कि मैं ये बोल रहा हूँ तो अपने पेरेंट्स को जाके ऑनेस्टली ये लोग ये रिकॉर्डिंग दिखा के अपनी करें उनके आगे. मेरी बेसिकली ये सोच रही कि मैं जब स्कूल में भी था, इवन व्हेन आई वाज इन 5th स्टैंडर्ड 6th स्टैंडर्ड, मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम्स मेरी रिपोर्ट कार्ड में 6 out of 5 रेड लाइंस होती थी. दैट्स नॉट अ गुड मार्क. एंड मैं उस चीज को भी इंजॉय करता था. मेरे डैड ने बहुत हेल्प किया उस चीज को लेके. एज एन आई स्टिल रिकॉल, जब मैं 5 सब्जेक्ट्स में भी मैं बिलो 40 आते थे तो भी मैं मेरे डैड उस चीज को कहते थे कि लेट इट बी, एंजॉय योर लाइफ एंड फॉलो योर ड्रीम्स. और यही मेरी बेसिकली सजेशन है हर स्टूडेंट को इवन कि अपने आप शौक पालो. इवन कैन यू इमेजिन कि जब ये पैंडेमिक चल रहा था तो मैं अपना टाइम कैसे स्पेंड कर रहा था. मेरा टाइम ऐसा स्पेंड हो रहा था कि मैं, आप सबको पता है, सब लोग एक ही उस टाइम तराजू में थे कि सबका ही बैंक बैलेंस डाउन जा रहा था. बट मैं जितना डाउन जा रहा था, जितना मेरा इवन डाउनफॉल आ रहा था, एज यूजुअल आप लोगों के साथ भी हुआ, तो मैं उतना एक्सप्लोर कर रहा था गूगल कि कौन सी नई कार आ रही है, कौन सी नई बीएम का मॉडल आया, कौन सा ऑडी का नया मॉडल आया. आप अपने शौक बढ़ाओ. शौक बढ़ाओगे, खर्चे बढ़ेंगे, इनकम आप खुद बढ़ाओगे अपने आप. दैट्स माई पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंस. आप लोग डाउनफॉल हो गया, आप और डाउन जा रहे हैं. कितने बच्चे आप देखो, मैं किसी पर्टिकुलर स्कूल का नाम ले रहा, पेरेंट्स उन पे प्रेशर डालते हैं अपने सेक के लिए कि हम लोग चाहते हैं आप डॉक्टर बनो, इंजीनियर बनो. क्या रखा क्या है बेसिकली, आप मुझे बताओ. ठीक है, मेरी मेरी खुद की, आई हैव 3 सिस्टर्स, वन इज सीए, वन इज डॉक्टर. और उस टाइम पे जब वो लोग टॉपर्स थे अपने स्कूल के, मैं एवरेज स्टूडेंट भी नहीं था, बिलो एवरेज स्टूडेंट, एवरीवन नोस. एंड तो उस टाइम मैंने अपने आप को कभी डिस्करेज नहीं किया ऑनेस्टली किसी चीज को लेके कि नहीं मैं ये लोग बहुत हाई मार्क्स से एंड दे आर टॉपर्स ऑफ स्कूल. मैंने इवन खुद बहुत अब जैसे मेरे मैम ने इंट्रोडक्शन दिया सेलिब्रिटी फोटोग्राफर. मेरा एज यूजुअल, मैं बचपन से ही अपने आप को सेलिब्रिटी कहता था. लोग कहते थे पागल है ये, मैं आज भी सेलिब्रिटी कहता हूँ. सेलिब्रिटी क्या होता है आपकी नजर में? सेलिब्रिटी मेरी नजर में वो है जो अपनी लाइफ हर डे सेलिब्रेट करता है, एज आई डू. स्कूल में मैं बिलो एवरेज स्टूडेंट था एंड अपने मैंने ड्रीम्स फॉलो किए. मैं हर फोटोग्राफी जो द पर्सन्स आर हु आर लुकिंग फॉर फोटोग्राफी इंटर्नशिप एंड टू सीक देयर करियर इन फोटोग्राफी, मैं उनको एक ही बात कहूंगा, गैजेट आपके पास अच्छा है, लाइक आई एम यूजिंग Canon 1DX Mark II. That's the most upgraded camera. It would cost you around 10 lakh rupees, जो उसकी प्रॉपर किट है. तो ये कोई नहीं है कि मेरे पास की अच्छा अपग्रेडेड कैमरा है तो मैं बहुत अच्छी फोटोग्राफी कर पा रहा हूँ. व्हेन आई वेंट टू द कॉलेज, फेसबुक जस्ट केम इन. आप लोगों के पास तो अपॉर्चुनिटीज कितनी है, कितने रिसोर्सेज हैं अपनी क्रिएटिविटी को रिप्रेजेंट करने के लिए कम्युनिटी के आगे. हम लोगों के पास इतने रिसोर्सेज भी नहीं थे. इवन हम लोगों ने आपसे ज्यादा स्ट्रगल की, बट आप लोगों का तो ये है कि बेसिकली आपके पास रिसोर्सेज ज्यादा है. सो मैं यही कहूंगा कि आप लोग अपना ड्रीम्स को फॉलो करो, अपने शौक बढ़ाओ लाइफ के अंदर, ऑनेस्टली ये चीज मैं खुद मानता हूँ कि लक बहुत मैटर करता है. इवन व्हेन आई वेंट टू बॉम्बे फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम, मैंने इतने लोग देखे, इवन अपने स्कूल के अंदर भी जब मैं जज करने आया था, कि बहुत क्रिएटिविटी है. मेरा तो चलो ऑनेस्टली मेरा लक चला, मैंने मेहनत भी की. लक बहुत मैटर करता है. 80% मैं मानता हूँ लक है, 20% आपकी मेहनत है. बट मैंने स्टूडेंट्स देखे स्कूल के अंदर अपने, तो इतनी हाई हाई एंड क्रिएटिविटी है. आप लोग 7th 8th स्टैंडर्ड में इतना अच्छा क्लिक्स करते हैं कि मैं सोच भी नहीं सकता. आउट ऑफ द बॉक्स आप लोग जाके थिंक करते हैं उस चीज को. एंड फॉर्मल थोड़ा बनते हैं, चलो इनफॉर्मल बातें बहुत होगी. कि आप लोगों को बेसिकली मैं एक कमेंट कर रहा हूँ एक चीज ऑन लाइव, फेसबुक लाइव, कि अभी जैसे पैंडेमिक का थोड़ा सा सीन, इन केस it will get in a positive direction, then I'll positively give direction internship to photography students. And अभी हमारा एक स्टूडेंट भी था, उसको मैंने इंटर्न किया था अभी लास्ट बिफोर पैंडेमिक in the month of February end, and he did really very well. So at last I would like to thank principal ma'am. Cause of you only we we are able to connect with each other. And last but not least, Meru ma'am, आप लोगों के ब्लेसिंग से हम सेल्फिश फ्रेंड्स मिल जाते हैं फॉर्मली. एंड थैंक यू सो मच मैम. थैंक यू सो मच मैम.
Thank you, Vivek. But I would just like to add here, of course, we have to follow our passion, but we need to graduate also. So, dear students, you need to study also. And after that, you have to follow your passion. Now we have Nirmit Thakur, alumnus of our school, batch year 2016, who has just completed internship under Mr. Vivek Chawla to follow his passion of photography and to be a successful professional photographer in future. So here we have Nirmit Thakur showing his gratitude towards his alma mater and his mentor.
Hello everyone, my name is Nirmit Thakur and I am an alumni from DLDAV Model Schools, Parimalgarh. So recently I got an opportunity to work under another alumni from our school, Mr. Vivek Chawla, who's a great photographer. None of this would have been possible without the help of our school, and especially thank you Mrs. Reena Rajpal ma'am, our principal, for creating a network for all of us to connect the alumni, the people who have left the school. And lastly, I would like to thank Mr. Vivek Chawla for giving me the wonderful opportunity for the shoots. And I just hope that every kid who's in the school right now, or every alumni who has passed, gets something out of this program, because it's really fruitful, and all the best for it.
We also have with us today Mr. Piyush Gupta, alumnus of our school, batch year 2010. Piyush is an entrepreneur, founder, and COO at VerySmart.ai, an identity blockchain platform for automation of KYC. He has consulted more than 40 plus organizations and startups and mentored more than 500 students. He has extensive experience in different areas of entrepreneurship, including product management, human resource management, corporate sales, fundraising, etc. Piyush is passionate about AI, EdTech, and skill development. Piyush is ready to pay back to his school. He is offering internship to DAV students of classes 10th to 12th for the upcoming year 2021. Internship will have 4 to 5 mentor experts in social media marketing, video editing, content writing, and graphic designing. So I invite on stage Mr. Piyush Gupta. Over to you, Piyush.
Piyush, you can unmute now.
Am I audible?
Yes,
Am I
Piyush.
audible? Yeah.
Yes, yes.
It's an honor to be part of this fair, and by listening to Dr. Biswajit Saha, Dr. Jitendra, Mrs. Gitanjali Kumar, and Principal Ma'am. I was thrilled, and I felt very good that how dynamics of education and skill development is being taken care by the esteemed faculty members, and I really feel good that our future is in very good hands when it comes to our overall holistic development. So thank you for inviting me here today. And first of all, I would like to thank the Honorable Principal Ma'am, Meru Ma'am, and all the respected faculty members who acknowledge the tireless work that goes into preparing students for the future and is taking a proactive approach in building their careers. I would like to thank DAV School because understanding the students' need, targeting their burning issues in education, and preparing you for a smooth professional life is DAV's motto. And we are committed to honoring exactly that. So after I would like to tell you the story that when I started Very Smart, I was in second year of my college in Delhi College of Engineering, and ICICI Bank came to my college, and we were the national winners. So we created a software for them, and today our company is working in 3 countries and already working with Google Pay, Airtel payment banks, and ICICI Bank and other top companies and banks. So from there only, I thought of that, can artificial intelligence or machine learning can help in career mentorship, can be profile students and give them the unbiased career decisions, which everything, I am totally resonating with the words I have listened for past 1 hour, and we are exactly providing that. So I started this company called Stride Ahead. It's an AI powered community driven career incubator aiming to create an impact among students with the help of career assistant platform and mentors, top-notch mentors from different fields, different expertise, including psychologists, career coaches, and curated content, especially for beginners. So we ensure that students have a clarity of their skills and interests and are aware of the great opportunities that lay ahead of them. There are thousand plus of career options that go unheard of until it's too late. So always pick right mentors and look for updated information around you. And I like I can say that 60% of the skills demanded in industry are missing from academia. And it's very sad state in India that 92% of today's youth are unemployable, even with an undergraduate. The reason being that, Mrs. Gitanjali said, that we are lacking the basic skills like creativity, persuasion, collaboration, adaptability, emotional intelligence is the topmost skill. Complex decision making, conversational skills, design thinking, project management, visual communication, financial literacy, emotional quotient, system thinking, body language, resilience. I can go on. But these things are missing, and these things you cannot learn from books. You have to pick a right mentor. You have to pick internships. You have to work toward it from very beginning, because believe me, college is too late. Right, from first year to fourth year. In first year, we waste a lot of our time in fest, enjoying with friends, which is also a very important part. But we don't realize until we are in third year. Then we think that now I have to do either we have to do CAT, we have to apply for a banking exam, SSC. So you have to start little bit early to get ahead of anyone else, right? And not get ahead, but you have to take them along with you. You can become an inspiration for other students. So, so we are proposing this virtual internship for like creative students. We call this internship is like road to success. These are the must-have skills which any industry will demand, irrespective whether you are a photographer, whether you are lawyer, doctor, CA. These are the skills which will take you ahead in your life, right? So we are providing internships in strategy and operations executive, graphic designing, content writer, like ma'am said, and bit of everything will be there. So we are hiring. This is the registration link. I'll share the form with ma'am. You can apply this thing. And apart, those students, those who feel that they need to learn things, right? We have also come up with a program called, like, these are the opportunity for top performers, like how startup works, how you can solve the real and relevant problem using diversified skill set. You will get letter of internships, letter of recommendations. Your LinkedIn profile will be better, and your CV will be better. And there are like I'm like one of the co-founder. We have other people from different skill set. You will learn that how different skill sets make a team and then make a company. And these are the skills which are important in uh, at least in 21st century, because these days whenever you go for any interview, they don't care about your certificates, they don't care about your marks. They'll ask you, okay, what have you made, what have you built, what other skills you have, right? Can you think beyond these things? So they will expect these kind of things. And apart from internships, Stridehead has a special program called Road to Success. This is specially designed by top psychologists, career coaches, entrepreneurs, imparting the must-have skills among students so that they can have a confident start in their career, irrespective of their domain. Primary focus will be management skills, presentation skills, marketing skills. These skills are expected today from all recruiters for almost all positions they are hiring for. So we give one-to-one sessions, one-to-many sessions, live sessions on Google tools, how you can leverage Google tools for more productivity, how you can leverage Canva designs, Canva for designing things, how you can leverage as blogging and marketing for content marketing and other things, and soft skills like presentations. And these things are will give you a confidence which you need, right? So, and we have like top mentors, and this is the reason the Strider love us, that we have a top industry mentors from different fields. So we have people from McKinsey, we have people from Gojek, people from Purdue University, Uber, UMKC, DTU, IITs, FMS, top renowned photographer, right? So you will learn from diversified set of professions. Only thing which my question from you is, so what is your passion? What do you want to do, right? And we are here to provide you the path which you need. Like I guess Avasti sir also said that how to find a door, right? So that door you will find by exploring your interest and by connecting with right mentors. So this is the time where you have to be extrovert, start networking, leverage LinkedIn, leverage Facebook, leverage your space, start talking to them. अगर अभी हम लोग लाइफ में hesitate करेंगे, आगे जाके बहुत दिक्कत होगी, right? And we have a very beautiful future in front of us, right? World is very good, and despite of all the things, pandemic and all, हम लोगों ने we have bounced back like beautifully, right? You can see your teachers, your faculty members, they have done tremendous job for you students only, and I feel honored. I totally feel honored that DV is taking such kind of step for you guys, and that's it. Thank you.
Thank you, Piyush. Your gesture of paying back to your alma mater is really inspiring for others to follow. Thanks a lot. Mahima Kullar, pass out of 2020 batch with a brilliant academic record, has just completed her virtual internship under her mentor, Mr. Piyush Gupta, as a content writer. So here she is sharing her journey as an intern with Stride Ahead, a company run by Mr. Piyush Gupta.
Hello everyone, myself Mahima Kullar, an alumni of DLDAV Shalimar Bagh, batch of 2019 to 2020. It's such a proud feeling when I talk about my school, because honestly my school has been there throughout for me. Even after I passed my 12th, my school hasn't left my hand. Uh, I recently got to know that Principal Ma'am, Mrs. Reena Rajpal, has taken up this initiative of providing internship opportunities at school level for school students. And I was literally amazed by it, because I have never heard of any school taking out this initiative for school students, and it is important. It really is. I myself am a passionate writer from 2 years. I have my own Instagram page by the name of Diary Tico Official, having more than 1.4k followers, and I used to believe that I am good at writing, pretty good. But then when I had joined for a virtual internship with Stride Ahead, I actually got to know that your passion isn't exactly what is needed. There is so much more to it. I actually had to upgrade myself so much. I just hit the reality that, okay, the professional world, the corporate world demands something else. And I am so happy and glad to know that now every student in his or her school life can experience the working of a company can actually have the experience and be all well prepared for the future challenges that are going to be there. And I really thank Principal Ma'am, DLDV Shalimar Bagh, and Stride Ahead for actually believing in me. I am sure that everyone who's, I am sure that this initiative of Principal Ma'am and my school is going to be a successful thing, and it would really benefit a lot of students. Thank you.
Dear alumni, we are really proud of you and your commitment towards your alma mater. I hope many of our students would be benefited by the internships offered by you for the upcoming year. And now I hand over the stage to my colleague Ms. Shruti Gupta to take us to our virtual tour of Infinitum Education Fair 2020 and give us a brief of important career-oriented sessions. We have planned for students from 14th to 24th of December. So over to you, Shruti ma'am.
Please unmute Shruti ma'am.
Thank you, Meru. Good morning, everyone. DLDAV Model School Shalimar Bagh proudly presents its annual Education Expo Infinitum 2020. Infinite information, infinite opportunities and careers. We bring them all together under one banner, Infinitum. We have had 3 very successful versions of this expo in the last 3 years in the school campus. This time, we had a challenge in front of us. The challenge was big, but our efforts were bigger. And so we are back with the 4th version of our Education Expo, this time virtually, bringing careers and other information literally to the doorsteps of the children. We have put together for them and their parents not 1 or 2 or 5 or 10, but 60 hugely informative sessions from renowned organizations, institutions, universities, and accomplished professionals who also happen to be our alumni. My colleague, Shailja Malhotra, and I will now give you a quick virtual tour of all that you can look forward to in the coming 10 days. Day 1. Well, we are well into the inauguration ceremony and have had the privilege of listening to renowned professionals. Immediately after this, we will have officials from Indian Navy who will talk about careers in Navy and how that can be not just a great opportunity to serve the nation, but also provide a thrilling and adventurous career to the students. Data sciences promises to be an interesting career choice. To throw more light on this, we have our alumni expert, Ms. Shilpi Sharma, who is currently working in McKinsey & Company. There are a lot of myths surrounding careers in humanities stream. Ms. Niyati Sharma, another alumni expert, will talk about this fact and help students explore new vistas. Engineering and management fields have always attracted students. Mr. Ramesh Mishra from NIMS University, Mumbai, will be sharing more information related to this. Now that was day 1, that is today. Coming to day 2. Day 2 will begin with an extremely important session, courses and admissions in Delhi University. And we are thrilled that we will be having none other but the Dean and Deputy Dean of Admissions, DU, Professor Shobha Bagai and Dr. Haneed Gandhi. Skill-based careers from alternate fields can be very exciting and fulfilling. We have 2 sessions from such fields lined up on day 2, on fashion and art and nutrition and naturopathy. Vimukta Academy will also offer career counseling to students of classes 11th and 12th. For those who are looking for an adventurous and very lucrative career financially, choose Merchant Navy. Get to know more about this from officials of Anglo-Eastern Ship Company. Then there will be a session on multidiscipline education in the O.P. Jindal University. On day 2, Fortis Healthcare will also join hands with us to discuss study and exam skills in digital era. Okay, day 3 now. Day 3 will see Akash Institute sharing tips on cracking entrance examination. And then we have back-to-back sessions by our very talented alumni who will be acting as resource persons. Ms. Swati Rajput will talk about new horizons of geography in contemporary world. Mr. Piyush Gupta on SWOT analysis, entrepreneurship, goal setting, and product management. Mr. Anirudh on management and engineering. Dr. Rajiv Mehta on careers in physiotherapy. Mr. Surbhi Goyal on finance. Dr. Pankaj Goyal on careers in medicine. We will also have the pleasure of listening to Ms. Pushpa Joshi from Indian School of Hospitality on careers in business and culinary world. Company secretary as a profession is pretty lucrative as well. Mr. Himanshu Sharma will guide students on this. Then we have the field of sociology. That can be a very satisfying career choice. Ms. Manju Bhatt, HOD Social Science, NCRT, and Professor Maitri, JNU scholar, will dwell on this aspect. Ms. Jyoti Berry, our alumnus, will talk about changing career landscape. Aptitude shaping careers post-COVID by Pratham Institute promises to be a very interesting session. We request the children to attend this. It will be especially useful for those who are appearing for competitive examination. Coming to day 4. Day 4 will begin with a session on time management by mathematics expert, our alumnus, Harsh Patodia. The commerce students must attend the session by Aklas Osmani from an MBA from IIM. He will talk on entrance examination after class 12th. Hey students, if you have a creative streak, you have to attend this one. Careers in Designing by Meenakshi Popli from Trends Academy. And those looking for cracking JEE, do not miss the talk by Yug Kumar from FIITJEE. Next, we will have Abhijan Ganguly talking about Bennett University programs. The name Jitin Chawla rings a bell. This famous career counselor will motivate students on December 17 at 11 a.m. sharp. Be there, students. You don't want to miss this one. If government jobs in science and technology are your cup of tea, listen to Mr. Gaurav Goyal from CIL Knowledge. And hey, if you see yourself as a compassionate human being and think that you have loads of patience, you are blessed with it, think about a career in special education. Here, Ms. Disha Gupta, our alumni from this field. Another alumni, Ms. Deepthi Berry, will dwell upon demystifying careers in finance. Careers in anthropology, research, and genetics. Wow, really sounds interesting. Astha Agarwal, working with Public Health Foundation of India, will talk about this. Coming to day 5, computer science enthusiasts who are interested in ECE, IoT, and embedded systems. Listen to our alumnus expert, Mayank Agarwal. Do careers in law excite you? Attend the session by Mr. Amit Minocha, our alumnus, who is an advocate in Delhi High Court. Psychology as a career choice can be yours. Get to know more about this from Ms. Rita Agarwal. Vidya Mandir and NIT University will guide students of classes 11th and 12th on engineering. And Priyanka Gupta will guide students of commerce stream on career choices. There are many good private universities also that are coming up. We need to explore these well. Get acquainted about Ashoka University. Get to know about the courses available, the admission process from the official representative of this university. Scope of foreign language, especially German, and extracurricular activities during college and photography will be sessions to look forward to on day 5. Day 6. Students who wish to study abroad, this day is dedicated to you. We have officials from IDP and SIUK to help you. Also, we have Rupali Verma, advisor with Education USA, to throw light on college admissions in USA. We also have Pratibha from Mindler to talk to students about college selection, strategy, and scholarships. Then, coming to cybersecurity. If cybersecurity as a career choice interests you, then you must attend this session by Mr. Anubhav Lal, an expert from this field. He will guide you well. Right. So that was a glimpse into the Power Pack sessions for classes 11th and 12th. On December 23rd and 24th, we will be having many such sessions for students of classes 9th and 10th. We are very pleased that we have been able to do this for the students and parent community and hope that they all benefit from these sessions. So that was a glimpse, and you will get to know the details from the SWAY presentation that has been shared far and wide with everybody. Now, I request everybody to stand for DAV Gaan as we come to an end of this inaugural ceremony.
अविरल निर्मल सलिल सदय ज्ञान प्रदायिनी ज्योतिर्मय हो चहु दिशि उद्घोष अभय दिए विजय जय दिए विजय जय प्रबल प्रवाहमयी नित नूतन जीवन दायिनी सदा सनातन वेद प्रणीता परम पुनीता ये धारा अक्षय दिए विजय जय दिए विजय जय दयानंद से प्रेम भक्ति ले हंसराज से त्याग शक्ति ले धर्म भक्ति का राष्ट्र शक्ति का हो दिन मान उदय दिए विजय जय दिए विजय जय सुख समृद्धि इसकी लहरें प्रेम शांति इसके तट ठहरे सघन शांतिमय प्रबल क्रांतिमय लिए अटल निश्चय दिए विजय जय दिए